Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy in GTA 5 Online. To truly dominate, you must first focus on accumulating substantial wealth. This involves engaging in various high-paying activities and then smartly reinvesting your earnings. We will cover essential businesses, powerful assets, and crucial character enhancements. By following these steps, you will build a formidable presence and become a force to be reckoned within the game world. Earning money is the backbone of becoming sturdy. Focus on high-reward activities like the Diamond Casino Heist or the Cayo Perico Heist, which can net you over $1 million per run. Also, consider investing in businesses such as a nightclub or bunker. These generate passive income while you complete other tasks. Always check for weekly bonus events offering double or triple rewards on specific missions. Once you have some cash, smart investments are key. An armored Kuruma, costing around $525,000, offers excellent bullet protection for missions. A high-end apartment is crucial for planning heists and storing up to 10 vehicles. Consider a Terabyte or Avenger for mobile operations and vehicle customization. Upgrading your weapons and armor will significantly boost your combat readiness. Beyond money and assets, your character's abilities matter. Max out stats like strength, stamina, and flying by performing relevant actions. Always equip full body armor, which can absorb significant damage, and carry plenty of snacks for quick health recovery during firefights. Joining an active crew provides support for missions and protection from griefers. Strategic planning before any major operation is vital for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.